Good day everyone, I am Maloy from Bini.
Mapapaulala sa giling ko. Dong digi 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 dong digi 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 dong digi 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 dong digi 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 dong digi.
Bini. And today, I want to share a message that is not only about being an artist, being known by many people, or being part of a popular group. I want to talk about something that many young Filipinos experience today: the pressure of the society, the influence of the social medias, and the importance of learning how to accept and love ourselves. Lahat naman po tayo ay may mga dream. We all have goals that we want to achieve, and we all want to be appreciated by people around us. Pero habang hinahabol po natin yung mga pangarap natin, hindi nawawala yung pressure. Pressure na maging succeed tayo, pressure na maging better, pressure na ma-meet yung expectation ng ibang tao, and sometimes, pressure na tayo mismo ang gumagawa sa sarili natin. Nowadays, social media is already a big part of our lives. Through social media, we can share our talents, express our thoughts, connect with others, and discover new things. Pero kahit maraming magandang effect yung social media, meron din yung downside. And that is the comparison of the culture. Minsan, habang nag-i-scroll tayo, nakakakita tayo ng mga taong parang perfect yung life nila. Nakikita natin yung mga achievements nila, yung confidence nila, and magandang moments nila. And sometimes, we start comparing ourselves. We start asking question like, bakit hindi ako ganon? Bakit parang ang bilis ng progress nila? Am I already enough? Pero ang kailangan nating tandaan is that social media only shows a small part of someone's life. Hindi natin nakikita lahat ng struggles, sacrifices, failures, and challenges na pinagdadaanan ng isang tao bago nila marating kung nasaan sila ngayon. As someone who is part of Bini, I know that being seen by many people also comes with expectation. Maraming tao, yung may mga opinions about you. May mga nagsasabi kung paano ka dapat kumilos, magsalita, or maging. Pero one thing that I learned is that while we should always improve ourselves, we should never forget who we really are just because we want to please everyone. Before becoming who I am today, I was also someone who had dreams and doubts. May mga moment din na kinakabahan ako, natatakot, and also nagtatanong sa sarili ko kung kaya ko ba. Pero, natutunan ko na yung growth is hindi biglaan. Hindi kailangan maging perfect agad. Ang importante doon is yung patuloy kang natututo, lumalaban, and also naniniwala sa sarili mo. I want everyone to remember that your worth is not based on likes, followers, achievements, or other people's opinion. Hindi nasusukat yung values mo sa kung gaano karaming tao yung nakakakita sa'yo or sumusupport sa'yo. You are valuable because of your kindness, your effort, your passion, and the things that makes you unique. As Bini, we also see how amazing Filipino yet are. Ang kabataan ngayon is creative, talented, and maraming pangarap. We have the power to inspire others through our passion, our action, and the way we use our voice. Pero kasama natin, yung influence is kailangan din is may responsible tayo. Lalo na ngayon na malaki yung effect ng social media sa mga tao. Kaya dapat ispiliin natin na maging mabuti and magbigay po ng positivity sa iba. Instead of using social media to compare ourselves, gamitin po natin ito para matuto, mag-grow, and mag-support ng iba. Instead of saying na mas magaling sila kaysa sa akin, sabihin natin, their success can inspire me to work hard for my own dreams. Remember, everyone has their own timeline. Kung may mga taong mas mabilis umangat, hindi ibig sabihin nun na nahuhuli ka na. Kung may mga taong successful ngayon, hindi ibig sabihin nun na wala ka ng chance na maging successful din. Each person has a different journey. May kanya-kanya tayong challenges, experiences, and moments when we will shine. So to everyone listening today, I want you to remember this. Do not let the expectations of others stop you from becoming the person you want to be. Huwag kang matakot mangarap. Huwag kang matakot magkamali. At higit sa lahat, huwag mong kalimutan na may halaga ka kahit hindi mo maabot yung mga goals mo ng biglaan. Your voice matters, your dreams matters, and your story matters. Let us create a generation where people are not pressured to become someone else, but are encouraged to become the best version of themselves. Thank you everyone, and always remember, stay true to yourself.